Hi there, I'm Heidi from the Moulin de Pensol. I'm recording one of these video testimonials for Mark at Boosley. I don't particularly enjoy doing these video things, so it's a testament to how grateful I am to him that I'm prepared to do this. He has transformed our business. I don't think that's too much of an exaggeration to say. We moved here in February this year, in 2018. We took over a gîte business in Haute-Vienne, Limousin in the middle of France, and we've had 3 gîtes that are now up and running, and we were consumed, and I think it's probably quite common for new businesses to be consumed with the logistics of it, what the gîtes looked like, how clean they were, the linen, getting everything ready for the guests, and it's very, very tempting to neglect the marketing, but of course unless you get the marketing right, nobody is ever going to come and stay, and that's really what Mark has helped us with. So we had a website already, but he helped us connect it to Bookalet, so that we got the whole bookings thing synchronized across booking.com and Airbnb. And then I think probably the most transformatory thing that he taught me was I watched his video called something like Making the Most of Booking.com, and it utterly just changed the whole way that we looked and our presence, sort of public facing on the online travel agents. It's just been amazing, and our booking, we were panicking a month ago. I was definitely panicking. Our gîtes looked beautiful, we were all ready to go, but we didn't really have very many bookings. Watched that video, sorted out booking.com and the way it looked, particularly the photos, and overnight we are now extremely busy for the rest of July and August, so I'm very grateful. Boosley, it's great. Thanks, Mark.